because there's Seneplex complex, which is what?
Active.
Active. And the Cellplex, there's two formulations in here. The Cellplex is essential fatty acids. Okay, so when you have your cells, you know, here's your basal layer where your cells are formed. Oops, I need to use this new one here. Here's the basal layer, and then all these cells are like this, right? And they're coming up. They're like this, just piled one on top of another, like that. Okay, and here's the top of your skin. So you've got all these cells. With sensitive skin, predominantly, it's because their skin is extremely dry, which they don't know that. But because their skin is extremely dry, what happens is these cells don't have enough fluid or natural oils between each cell, and so what happens is it causes friction. Because remember, your cells are always moving to the surface, no matter if you're using our product or not. They're just going slower if you don't use our product. But those cells are always moving to the surface. So what happens is, when you have sensitive skin and these cells are touching one another, and as they're moving up, you've got energy, plus there's energy this way, because they're friction, they're rubbing against each other, it causes heat, it causes itchiness, it causes irritation and redness. So when you have somebody with sensitive skin and you start having them use climate control and they spray it on, and because of the Cellplex in here, which is the essential fatty acids, and the Seneplex, but the Cellplex is what the key right now, is when it's moving down, the essential fatty acids, because they're natural oils, coat the cells. And it creates like a river of moisture between each cell, okay? So because of the Seneplex complex is depositing moisture, and the Cellplex is the essential fatty acids, or the natural oils. So all between these cells now has moisture and natural oils. And so what happens is it cools down the skin. Thus the name climate control. It controls the climate of moisture in your skin. Listen to your skin. Yoram always says this. Listen to your skin, because your skin will tell you if you need more moisture. Okay, your daughter with that really dry skin, she's screaming for moisture. Her skin is screaming for moisture. So when you have sensitive skin and you put the Seneplex complex and Cellplex in it, and it calms down the skin, that redness goes away, the itchiness goes away, and the irritation goes away.